I am ready to go to Singapore. Just need to close this off and we're good to go. We're in the suitcase, ready to go. International jet setter. Do you know how dangerous it is to have a service station that sells pizza 24/7? Yeah, really quick, short, snappy video today. Packed, ready to go to Singapore tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. Like, that's my focus for the day. Food, packing, good to go. This video is so bizarre. I've just got to pack away the tech stuff as well. But yes, all done, all ready. Tomorrow's video is going to be a much, much longer, nicer journey from Brisbane to Singapore, plus initial thoughts whilst I'm there.